Hey, this is Patricia with the Crazy Cat Lady Crochet and Crafts channel. I just purchased this yarn winder. It just arrived on my doorstep, and just like to see what it is all about. Would you like to see what it's all about with me? And if you use a yarn winder, what kind do you have, and do you like it? Okay. And I purchased this off of Amazon. I'm not affiliated with any company. Let's put that down here. Dude. Okay, how to use wool winder. The reason I bought this is because I'm going to be doing a big project, so I bought big skeins of yarn. I have 4 of these skeins of yarn. This is Pound of Love by Lion Brand. I call it Coral. They call it Creamsicle. And I don't want to have to work with this big skeiny yarn the whole time. So I was thinking I could get a yarn winder and make smaller cakes with it. So where's my little hickey? Okay, so it says, set the spindle into gear base by aligning notches. Alright. I guess it's on there. It feels pretty tight. I'm trying to... It says right there to move it to the right to close. So I have keys. There we go. Well, that made it come loose. Let's do that one more time. Okay, that's on there. We have the spindle on the gear base. And we're going to clamp the ball winder to the table. I think my table's going to be a little bit too thick for that. Is there somewhere I can make that get longer? Yeah, okay, so you just spin this red knob here, and it moves this metal part out. I don't know if you can see my hand there. Slide it on the table, and then turn this right. So I have the ball winder clamped to the table. Rotate yarn guide so loop end faces upward. Pull it out as far as it will go. As it will go. As it will go. Locking into working position as shown. Step 4 says Yarn to be wound should be supported on a swift to allow uniform transfer. Feed end of yarn through yarn guide and secure in notch on top of spindle. Yarn is easily placed through guide by simply wrapping it in a clockwise direction around the end coil. Turn handle clockwise, forming the yarn ball. I did not get a Swift because I'm working with a skein, not a hank. I don't know how you would get a skein yarn on a Swift. I'm sure there's probably a way, but let's see. Take this label off the skein here. Down over there. Slide the yarn through the top. Oh. And then just crank the handle. I think I can do that. Put that down there. I think you have to guide it a little bit with your hand if you don't have a Swift. Just something to make smaller balls of yarn. Keeps coming off. There we go. I'm trying to figure out how to get it on that guide. My cat is just intrigued. I don't know if she's in the shop or not. There's June. Hey, June. So I guess we just spin. Okay, I can do this. Now I got it to go out. Okay. For some reason that's not locking into place. I don't know. Let's see. I think I'm still going to have to guide it a little bit. There we go. Sweet. That is going to make it so much more manageable. Well, while I have fun spinning my little yarn into cakes, y'all have a good day and remember to subscribe. Oh, that is so pretty. Let me see if I can put this down. Yeah, I like that. That is going to be so much easier to work with. My cat likes it too. June. Yeah. So I have a helper, June. Get your tail out of the way. Alright. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe. Even if you like to watch the cats play with my yarn. And if you want to be notified when I'm posting some more videos, go ahead and click on the notification setting. Y'all have a good day. Be safe.